This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is WBGU 27. We will continue to serve the Bowling Green area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Bowling Green area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information. Please stand by.
This message has been authorized for public release by myself and by President Joseph Robinette Biden. My fellow Americans, recent days have presented us with nothing short of a national tragedy. We have had the privilege of defending democracy and the people it represents for over 200 years. Sadly, this ends today. As most of you may know, a self-replicating nanobot has consumed most of the land area of the continental United States, causing any carbon life form it encounters to vanish. Its consumption of the globe is imminent. At this time, I advise all remaining residents of the U.S. and of the globe to gather loved ones close, and to become right in the eyes of any higher being you may have faith in. After this transmission concludes, all broadcast operations will cease, as will internet and cellular networks. The government will no longer be responsible for the well-being of its citizens. Thank you, and God bless America.
This concludes operations under the emergency alert system. All programming operations will now cease.